Hello, dear students. I, Shivani Gonyal, will be taking your math class, and I welcome you all to attend math session. In this session, we'll be following Exceed 5 ways, that is aim, action, analysis, application, and assessment. So children, we are doing block 2, that is comparing 5-digit numbers, and today we'll be going to do S4, that is rounding off to nearest 1000. So let's see how we can round off the digits to the nearest 1000. So children, before beginning the class, just tell me, if I bought a t-shirt for rupees 1499, so how much did it approximately in hundreds? That means if I bought a shirt for rupees 1499 and if I want to round off to nearest 100, so how can I do? Just think. Just see, here is 499. If I specifically see to this only, and if I want to round off to nearest 100, so it means 499 is nearest to which 100? Yes, so it cost approximately 1500 because here we are doing round off to nearest 100. So here in hundreds there is 499 and it is nearest to 500. So yes students, today's aim of a class is the same. So we are going to round off 5-digit numbers to the nearest 1000. So children, first we'll see what are the steps to round off numbers to the nearest 1000. So first is we have to look at the digit which we are rounding off. For example, if we are rounding off to the nearest 1000, so whenever we are going to round off to nearest 1000, we always look at the hundreds digit. It means the digit which is at the hundreds place. Yes. So if you are rounding off to nearest 1000, so first we'll see the digit which is at the hundreds place and not the 1000 digit. Yes. So if the hundreds place digit is less than 5, so we keep the rounding digit the same and change the values to the 0. It means if the digit which is at the hundreds place, if it is less than 5, so we just make all the digits equals to the 100, like ones, tens and 100 will make it to 0 and the thousands place digit will remain same. And if the hundreds place digit is greater than or equal to 5, so we just add 1 to the thousands place and all the digits which is at the right to it will make it 0. So we'll just see with the help of an example, like here also. So if the hundreds place digit consists of 0 to number 4, yes, so we'll just rounding it down and make it all to 0. And if it is 5 or more than 5, so we'll just add it up 1 in the thousands place. So let's see here with an example. So here we have to round off these two digits to the nearest 1000. So how we can round it off? So here we have the first number 63,485. Yes. So I've tell you now that whenever we need to round off to nearest 1000, so we just look at the hundreds place digit. So 4 is at the hundreds place. So here 4 is less than 5. So all the digits which is at right to it means the ones, tens and the hundreds place, we make it to 0 because the hundreds place digit is less than 5. Yes, so we have made all these to 0 and the thousands and 10,000s place is the same. So children, if it is less than 5, we just make all ones, tens and 100 to 0 and 1000 and 10,000s place will remain same. But on the other hand, if the digit which is at the hundreds place is greater than 5 or equal to 5, so we add 1 to the thousands place. Like here is 8 in thousands place, so it is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5 here, so we have added 1 in the thousands place. So instead of 8 we have written 9 here, and all the digits like ones, tens and 100 we make it to 0. So these are the two cases. One is less than 5, what we should do when the number at hundreds place is less than 5, and the other case when the number is greater than 5. So now one more example. In all his years of playing cricket, a batsman scored total of 18,646 runs. And how many runs did he score if we round off the total to the nearest thousand? It means here the number is given to us, that is 18,646, and we have rounded off it to nearest thousand. So children, what do you think? What will be its nearest thousand? We have already discussed the steps. Whenever we need to round it off to nearest thousand, which digit we see? The nearest 100. So which digit is at the hundreds place? The digit 6. And 6 is greater than 5. So what we do? Yes. So here, as you can see, we have 18,646 here. Yes. So we just see, whenever we need to round off to nearest thousand, we see the hundreds place. So in hundreds place, we have digit 6 here. Yes. And 6 is greater than 5. So 1 will be added up to the thousands place. So here 8 is at the thousands place. So 1 is added up to the thousands place. So 8 becomes 9. And all the digits which is at right to it will all become 0. So the round off to this number, that is 18,646, is 19,000, because this is nearest to 19,000. So children, now you have to tell what is the nearest thousand to 75,327, and the next number 75,872. You have to round off these two numbers to the nearest thousand. So again, we have to round off to nearest thousand. So we have to look at which digits? The digit which is at the hundreds place. So here is the answer. So first number is 75,327. So if I want to round it off this, so I'll look at the digit which is at the hundreds place. So here, which digit has a 100 place? The digit 3. And what do you think? It is less than 5 or is it more than 5? Yes, obviously it is less than 5 only. So if it is less than 5, the thousands place will remain same, and all the digits which is at the ones, tens and 100 will become 0. And on the other hand, the next number is 75,872, and the here 8 is at the hundreds place. Yes, the digit 8 is at the hundreds place, and it is more than 5. So when the digit is more than 5, we just add 1 to the thousands place. So instead of 5, we'll add 1 and it will become 6. So it will become 76,000. And the digits which is at ones, tens and 100 place will be 0 now. So the round off to this number, that is 75,872, will be 76,000. You can also look at this number line. So here in this number line, the number line consists from 75,000 to 76,000. and these two numbers, this one and this one, lies between these two numbers only, these 2000, 75,000 and 76,000. And you can see from this number line also that number 75,327 is nearest to which one? Which thousand? 75,000 or 76,000? Yes, so this number is nearest to 75,000. So see, the answer is this only. And the number 75,872 is nearest to 75,000 or 76,000? Yes, it is closer to 76,000. So see, here the rounded off is to 76,000 only. Yes, so we can look at this number line also and just tell. So now children, you have to tell how to round off a 5-digit number to the nearest 1000. Just now we have discussed few examples. So what can you tell? How can we round off 5-digit number to the nearest 1000? Yes, so the first step is we just look at the digit next to the thousands place. So which digit is next to thousands place? That is the hundreds place. So whenever we just need to round it off to nearest 1000, we always look up to the digit which is at the hundreds place. The next, if the digit which is at the hundreds place is 5 or more than 5, so we just add 1 to the thousands place digit and we'll make all the next 3 digits equals to 0. Like ones, tens and hundreds place, we just make it to 0. Next is, if the digit that is at the hundreds place is less than 5. So we just keep the thousands digit as it is. So when the digit which is at the hundreds place is less than 5, so the thousands place will remain same, and next 3 digits, that means ones, tens and 100 will be 0. And the digit which is that left to the thousands place means the 10,000s place. Yes, the digit which is at 10,000s place will be remain same in both the cases. That means if the number at hundreds place is less than 5 or greater than 5, the 10,000s place will remain same, because here we are rounding off to nearest 1000 only. So the 10,000 place will always remain same. So children, we just look at up to the only 2 criteria. So whenever we are rounding off to nearest 1000, we just look at up to 2 things. Like the hundreds place, is it less than 5? Is it less than 5, or is it equal to 5 or more than 5, and then do accordingly. Now here are a few examples that how can we round off to nearest 1000. So first one is 23,468. So children, here we are looking at the hundreds place. So here 4 is at the hundreds place. So 4 is less than 5. That means if it is less than 5, so we are making all these two 0, and there will be no change in the thousands place. So it will be 23,000 only, because the digit which is at the hundreds place, that is 4, it is less than 5. So there is no change in the thousands place. Next is 45,625. So here we just look at the digit which is at hundreds place. So here 6 is at the hundreds place. So we'll be going to see that is it less than 5 or more than 5? Yes, this is more than 5. So if it is more than 5, then we just add 1 to the thousands place. So instead of 5, we'll be writing 6 now. And all the digits, all 3 digits which is at ones, tens and hundreds place will be 0. The third one, 17,520. So just again see to the hundreds place. Here 5 is at the hundreds place. Yes, and it is equal to 5. So when the number the digit which is at the hundreds place is equal to 5, so then also we just add 1 to the thousands place. So instead of 7 we'll be writing 8 here, and the digit which is at ones, tens and thousands will be 0 now. So dear students, are you ready for the master question now? So here is the question. 13,845 people were expected for a cricket match. Around how many chairs should be hired rounded off to the nearest 1,000? That means in this question we have to round it off 13,845 to nearest 1,000. So we have done multiple examples here in the previous slides. So what should be its nearest 1,000 now? Just think of the steps. So whenever we need to round it off to nearest 1,000, so which place the digit at which place we check? Yes, the digit at the hundreds place. So here, which digit is at the 100 place? The digit 8 is at the hundreds place, and it is more than 5. So what should we do? We'll add 1 to the thousands place and make all these to 0. So the number of chairs should be hired is equal to 14,000, because here, as we have already discussed, 8 is at the hundreds place. Yes, and if 8 is at the hundreds place and it is more than 5, so we just add 1 to the 1,000 place. So instead of 3, we'll be writing 4. That is 3 plus 1 is equals to 4, and the digits which is at the ones, tens and hundred will make it to 0. So the round off to 13,845 will be 14,000. So children, for your homework part, you have to read block 2, lesson 4 from your content book, and also do practice lesson 4, the practice questions of lesson 4 given on page number 11 of your content book. And yes, after seeing this video, you have to do the workbook part S4 on your own. Just try out these questions. So children, that's all for today. Thank you all. Till then, stay home, stay safe.